talk to Chatter today. We are about to play Infinite Flight with Wind. Whoa, it's kinda shaky. It's 18 knots and it count me up. Come on, let's turn on the lights. Passengers, we have some problems here. We have something. No smoking and seat belts because we have a lot of turbulence and wind. We have to be very careful during the flight. Whoa, whoa. Hold on, is the airspeed glitching? Whoa, whoa. Whoa, it's kinda shaky, you know. Come on, change the interface. It's also changing my speed. Come on, change the interface. There, no wind. Where's the taxiway? Come on, let's approach the taxiway. And immediately start the takeoff. With the Asiana Airlines, we have no need to worry. The wind almost affects everything. It's kind of day, right? Geez, how many times? Come on! What's happening to us? It's so heavy! Guys, the airspeed! It's so heavy! I need to force. Let's see. Everything's perfect. Hold on. Aren't we a bit too fast? Okay guys, we're having some problems during the flight. Careful, our gears may break. Why is the airspeed 0? Will be our challenge for us. Whoa. I hope this is better, right? Asiana Airlines. That is from South Korea. If you say so. Come on, a bit more speed. We're having some problems during the flight. I'm right. Am I right? Yes. There, we're at runway 10L and there's 4 runways we can choose. Uh-oh. I told you there would be 18 knots. It's so heavy. I don't think I can take off, right? It's so hard. There, get ready for takeoff. It's time to push the plane. Whoa! Whoa! Hey, chill there. Chill. It's pushing us. Whoa! Whoa! Why? I forgot to switch the flaps. Help! It's trying to push me. It's trying to push me, and there we're going too fast. Someone, I need to celebrate. Help us! We're in danger! Is also dropping. Come on, pull up, pull up, pull up. Oh, no, 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 guys. This is the way. I should have never take off. It's my first time. With so much wind. It keeps... I think we're about to crash. Uh-oh. Bank and go. Come on, switch. Arm. Full flaps. Come on. I don't think I can land this and put the trim up. Oh. Uh-oh. I think it's too much. Oh, no, 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 no. Come on. Put it down. Put it down. Just put it down. No, 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 no. Oh, no. This is the worst day. Whoa! Come on! Help us! Passengers, I'm very sorry that the wind is doing this. It's not us. The controls are getting crazy. We're about to stall. Uh-oh. It's trying to push us. Help! We're falling. We're falling. We're falling. Don't crash, Asiana Airlines. Full brakes. Okay. And we need to land at the ground, but our gears may break. Do I remember this place? Is this where Pakistani Airlines crash? I'm not sure. Oh, no, it's trying to push us. Come on, come on, come on. Beat the wind. Uh-oh. Oh, no, no, no. Someone help us. Korea, help. Philippines, help. United States, help. Uh-oh. I'm trying to save some people, but this is the end. Oh, no, 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 not our wing, not our wing. Come on, land. Whoa. Boop. Come on. Oh, no, 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 no. It's pushing us away. So annoying. We should land at the ground. Oh, no, no. This time, get ready because we're getting pushed. Rather, you know what to do. Now, turn left. Oh, no, we're stalling. No. Uh-oh. I'm trying to push myself. Come on, promote, promote. We're getting pushed away. Oh, no, no. Come on, no choice. We have to land on the ground, guys. The vertical speed is slowly getting low. Whoa, no. Oh, no. Not the wing, please. Not the wing. Not the wing. We need Ryanair. Thank you for flying Ryanair. Last year, about 95% of our flights have arrived on time. Maybe not. Approach. Uh-oh. Okay, finally land. Okay, stop the airplane. Help. Oh no, this is water, right? Okay, we managed to land. I hope this is grass, right? Yikes. It keeps getting us away. Park brakes. Yikes. Am I just trash or something? I'm just trash. The wind is so powerful, it just pushes us to another airport. That's crazy. Hey. Come on, land, land, land. Okay, they're safe and sound. Come on, stay up. Park brakes, and you know what to do. Yikes. I'm trying to do soft landing. Oops. We need a bit more power. Oops. Oops. How many times are we crashing? We cannot land. I can't land. I'm distracted. Safe landing, please. Whoa! This wasn't a safe landing. Yikes! It's also pushing us. Okay, finally we stop. We stopped at no reason, but the main problem is Come on, guys, but the main reason is that we cannot stop because of the wind. Come on, there should be something how to stop. Push back. Huh? Why is he like this? Is it a glitch or something? Stop the plane. Guys, if you like this, please like and subscribe for part 2. Bye-bye.